eyes on the road.
Yes, please.
Be honest.
So we're going to Nagpatong Rock. Hi, good morning. This is me again, Miss Ava, and welcome back to my channel. It's another day, another vlog. I know, ang tagal ng interval bago ako mag-upload. And nakabalik na ako from Bali, by the way. So I'm with my friend Bells, and we're on our way to Nagpatong Rock. He's driving, so hindi siya masyado makapag-focus sa camera. Pero later may performance yan. Kasi he should keep his eyes on the road, di ba? To be safe and secure. Ngayon, so drive lang. Ano na ba? Gano'n na pa tayo kalayo. So, 14 kilometers pa. And medyo umuulan Umaambon pala, umaambon. Okay lang naman akong mood. Hindi naman siya nakakaitim. Yeah.
What do you call na yung pag may program tapos meron kang performance? Blank number,
Ano nga yun?
Guys, help us. Comment down below.
Guys, ano nga yung tawag dun sa nag-perform ka na may number? Intermission number! Sorry, hindi na pala. Huwag na kayo mag-comment. Our first stop, which is yung Barangay Center. And dun kami mag-register. And afterwards, we'll see how it goes. Kasi may guide pa at may orientation pa. But, ito, we're on our way. Medyo curvy ang daan. Ayan, hi!
Curvaceous.
Curvaceous, yes.
Curvaceous yung daan.
Curvaceous lang ang daan, pero we'll get there.
When we get there.
So, mag-register na kami guys sa tourism booth. And di ko kasi alam kung magkano yung babayaran, pero let's see.
Morning!
Kasama kayo, sir?
No.
Ilang kayo?
Dalawa lang.
150 ang total bill namin, including the guide. So guys, yung total cost nung entrance namin plus yung sa guide fee is 950 pesos. So I think it all depends on you if you're gonna give some tips and gratuities. Correct my grammar. Pero we're just waiting for our guide to come. And we're going to the parking area. From there, yun na yung jump off niya and we'll begin the hike. So we're here na sa may jump off station. At naman yung nakakasabay tayo ng mga testing. Okay.
Uy, pwede bang akap yan?
Ready ka na?
Ready na ba sila?
We're ready. Actually guys, it's just going to be a really quick
But we will
hike.
update you guys.
Yeah, we will update you kasi dala-dala namin ng mga equipment. So, more time for photo shoot. Actually, yung goal talaga namin dito is to document everything.
For you guys. For all you 50.
For all my 824 million.
Million glow.
Yeah, actually, hindi pa ganun ka. Hindi naman difficult ang trail. It's mostly flat. But I think later, we'll experience na yung mga steep na daanan. Pero so far, madali pa siya. I don't feel exhausted yet. Hindi pa ako napapawisan. I still feel fresh. O siguro dahil nga hindi naman ganun maaraw. And I think last night it also rained here in Antipolo. Kaya may pagka wet yung sahig or yung lupa. Pero hindi naman siya madulas. It's not slippery. Kaya kumakapit pa rin yung shoes mo. At sana wag umulan. Ang hirap guys mag-hike kapag umuulan. Nakaka-stress yun.
Hello. Good morning.
I think I celebrated too early. Now we're passing on steep roads. Ito na. Ito na yung paakyat, guys. Pero hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun katarik. Hindi katulad nung sa Alicia kami. Talagang all the way. Sobrang steep nun. Dito may onti ka pang buffer eh. Oo. Kaya chill hike pa siya so far. At unless may mga surprises. Mag-inom ka na. So quick update. Medyo mabato na dito. And mahangin na. It's getting kind of windy, kaya naku-cool down ako. So apparently, if you're a group of 5 and more, you'll have to wait dun sa may waiting area nila. Pero since dalawa lang kami ng friend ko, we don't have to. We got an express pass dun sa may pasamit, sa may mabato na. And ganun siguro yung advantage kapag solo traveler ka or if you're traveling with less than 5 people. Ayun sila, inunahan na nila ako. Pero I'm gonna continue my hike. Ang hirap kapag may dala kang mga camera at mga kapara-pernalya para mag-vlog. Pero sana nag-enjoy kayo ulit. Didn't really have to hike that long enough to get to the peak kasi andito na kami. We're here. And iakit na namin yung bato. Yung rock formation. Hi, Ga! Is it tiring? I don't think it is. You know, it's even more difficult to hike Alicia Park because there are no branches of trees that you can hang on to yourself to, or parang may pang-grip ka. Dito pwede kang kumapit and nade-distribute yung body weight mo ng maayos kasi nga pwede mong gamitin yung legs mo kapag napapagod na yung arms mo. And ako pagod na kasi meron pa kami another peak to conquer. We are here.
What? I hate her. She's with me before face to face. Before face to face? Like she went face to face.
Hawak po kayo sa lubid.
She's so pretentious. Like she has like a thing like
Dalawa?
Yeah. And she won't budge. I feel.
Nandun na.
Okay na.
So may queue lang ng onti, guys, pero at least we get the rest. Pero later on, papaliparin ko yung drone. I'm gonna fly my drone and hindi mahangin, so the weather is friendly today. Medyo kasi ako anxious ako if malakas yung wind gusts sa UAV forecast. But today it's not windy, so you can comfortably fly your drone. So the next few clips that you'll be seeing is just like a montage of the summit and then me coming down. We've already hiked a total of 188 meters above sea level. So it's one of the easiest hikes that we've done, and is this a place that I So guys, we're now back in our, at the jump off station. It was a really quick hike actually. Total hike time ko namin is 2 hours and 46 minutes, and that includes yung mga photo shoot, video, and I also flew my drone. Now we're having a quick break, and I got this fresh coconut juice for 30 pesos. And later, freshen up na kami, and we're gonna be eating at this like local restaurant nearby.
Gin!
Sobrang saya, hindi umaraw.
Tayo dyan.
Napaka-presko nung hike experience. Right? Right! Magpa-practice ka naman mga We're both fresh na uli and ready to eat some heavy lunch kasi nga it's a full body workout and we deserve a heavy meal. We're here at KSK and they serve Filipino food. The prices are ranging between like 39 to 100 pesos. And ano na siya guys, sulit na siya. It's value for money. And I think makakadalawang o tatlong ulam ako dito. Yun, so papasok na kami. And actually we thought that we're gonna eat at a coffee shop, but nothing is better than Pinoy food. So, yun. Parang sarap mag-lem. So yun, that ends this quick trip. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Miss A. Don't forget, like and subscribe.